Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? Today, hopefully y'all having an amazing day. I have an early review for y'all. Not sure how early this technically is because I feel like I'm still late, even though this shoe doesn't drop until the end of the month. Now, very quickly, I do have to say, bruh, I ain't gonna cap. This shoe has been around for like weeks now, and I really thought I had a banger for y'all today because I thought I was gonna have it super early when the homie told me when he was gonna have these available. But now I got it, and I'm like, well, damn, is this even early anymore? But regardless, I appreciate y'all coming through watching another video. As you guys know, Jordan 1 has to be one of the most popular, one of the most easiest to rock, probably the most fan favorite Air Jordan of them all. I'm excited to give y'all one of the best colorways that's supposed to be dropping this year, 2020. 2020 hasn't really been a good year, especially me for sneakers, bro. Like, I have not been able to get a lot of great shoes because of bots. Everything been sold over the internet and everything been selling out in seconds. And yeah, I mean, it just pretty much sucks. So when it comes to a shoe I'm actually able to get early for y'all, it means a lot to me. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Please make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. The goal is still 100K. This is the old merch. I have new merch dropping at 70K. New design, new sketches. It's actually already ready. It's just really waiting for me to press that button. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold you. Once we hit that 70K, I'm letting it go. But guys, without further ado, let's check out the Air Jordan that you guys came to see, the Air Jordan 1 Mocha. Here we have the Air Jordan 1 box, okay? Normal, okay? Normal. This is the normal, regular box. I was surprised that Jordan brand decided to go with this normal Jordan box because of the hype that this shoe is causing. I'm not gonna cap. I have not seen people this hype about a Jordan 1, a GR Jordan 1, because it's not like it's a collab, like a Union LA Jordan 1 or a Travis Scott Jordan 1 or, you know, anything of that nature where like a Nigel Jordan 1 is not that crazy of a collab. This is just a regular Air Jordan 1 with the same colorway as the Travis Scott. And I would show y'all the Travis Scott, but if you haven't pretty noticed behind me, man, everything is pretty much packed up. I don't know why I didn't think about this type of stuff before I packed everything up, but it ain't like I can just go in these boxes and take out the Travis Scott one. But to my real ones who know I got the Travis Scott ones, they behind me somewhere. Regardless, let's check these out. Let's pop the top and see what these looking like because I have not got a chance to see them yet, and I ain't gonna cap, I'm dying. Bow, here we go, y'all. The Air Jordan 1 Mocha, okay? This has to be the most anticipated Jordan 1 of 2020. It looks just like the Travis Scott in my opinion. Obviously, the front toe box and the upper being black is a huge difference, but for my people who did not get a chance to get their Travis Scotts, this is the perfect, what can I say, poor man's Travis Scott. Now when I say that, it don't mean no disrespect. For example, I got the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toe. That's a poor man's frag. I say it right now. I don't own a frag, neither am I ever gonna pay for a frag one. It's just not gonna happen. I'm gonna just keep it a buck with you. But I can also openly say it's a poor man's Jordan 1. It's a poor man's, not a Jordan 1, I'm sorry. It's a poor man's Travis Scott. Just like the Royal Toes is a poor man's frag. I'm gonna take it. And it's no shame if you rock these, bro. Like, it's still one of the hottest Jordan 1s of the year. By it being brown, it definitely is different because at the end of the day, we don't really get a lot of brown Air Jordan 1s, man. I think Jordan brand definitely decided to kind of take advantage of the market after they seen how good the Travis Scott drop did, and I really can't blame them for that. I mean, that's perfect marketing in my opinion. I do have good news on this release. Very quickly before we get into the review, me and the Sneaker Life will be doing a giveaway for a pair of Air Jordan 1 Mochas. I'm super excited to be doing this because this is probably the Jordan 1 of the year. So to be able to do a giveaway, it's always love when I can look out for one of y'all lucky subscribers out there to get your hands on one of the best shoes of the year. Now the rules are super easy to follow. All you have to do is click the link down below in the description and it'll bring you to a place where all you have to do is just follow those instructions. We made it super easy for you guys to be able to do. So tomorrow I will probably be posting a pic on IG to talk a little bit further about the giveaway. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's linked down below. Y'all can head over there and follow me. Just be ready for a post tomorrow. I'm not sure what time. Now let's talk about these. Okay, we're gonna talk about these and we're gonna be honest about these. And when I say honest, bro, I mean honest. Honest is this, bro. Honest is this. You can wear the same exact thing you can wear with these, that you can wear with the Travis Scott. Okay, so if you have a pair of these, you don't need to go out and buy that pair of Travis Scott unless you just want it for collection purposes. It's a lot of sneakers that the color blocking just allows you to pull off the same exact thing. You don't have to have that same exact shoe. Same thing when it comes down to these. So we're gonna go over the material, we're gonna go over the details, and we're gonna go over the quality of this Air Jordan 1 right about now. So guys, starting off with the outer sole, we get an all black Jordan 1 outer sole with the Nike swoosh and the Nike branded in the middle of the outer sole. Moving up to the midsole, we kind of get a sail midsole. It doesn't look white to me. Maybe it's just me, or maybe it's the studio lights, but it does not look white to me. It does not look completely white. It looks more like a light hint of sail. Now moving around the toe box, I'm not gonna hold you. Let me show y'all this toe box. Not actually the toe box, but I mean like the black surrounding the toe box. This is some pretty good leather. Now, as you can see, these haven't been worn, but in my estimation, I believe when you wear these, bro, once you get your wears in, the black around this toe box will get very plush. As of now, it's not that plush. Even the top of the toe box is not that plush. But I do believe after a few wears, it's gonna feel good. You see the black around the toe box surrounding and also going up to the laces. As you guys can see, that has the black Nike swoosh over the front layer of the shoe. It also has like that nice Mocha on the back heel and on the upper, and then you get your Jordan 1 wing on the upper as well. Now, I'm a Mocha guy, not gonna lie. I love the Air Jordan Mocha 3s and I love the Air Jordan Mocha 1s. It's something about earth tone colors that's just kind of cool to me. I feel like you can dress down with earth tone colors. I think that's why Yeezys do so well. A lot of his sneakers are very much like earth tone. He comes out with so many different earth tone colorways, and they're so easy to rock because you don't really have to do too much to make it work. And I think that's another reason why we all love this shoe so much. Now, the leather that's on the front panel of the shoe, on the side panel, I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty good. It's tumble. Let me see if y'all can see that tumble leather that's on the side panel. Y'all see that? I'm trying to turn it a little bit so y'all can be able to see the details going into it. It's not bad at all. I felt better, to be honest, but I'm not let down. I'm not angry. I don't feel like Jordan Brand cheated this out. Some good quality of the shoe. It's actually some pretty good solid tumble leather, even on the toe box. I mean, it's pretty good. I can't complain. It is pretty good. The suede on the back heel, that is something that's pretty nice. You can see the change in direction in suede. As we know, when you can change the direction of the suede, that usually means it's pretty much good material. Y'all see that? There's gonna be a lot of you guys that's really going for this on release date, and it's set to release October 31st for the retail price of $170. That might change. I'm hearing a lot of rumors about stuff being pushed back. It could change. I'm pretty sure we all heard of the rumors of the Air Jordan Off-White 5s getting pushed back, and this was rumored to be pushed back too. So I don't know how true that date of October 31st truly is, but until I hear something different, I'm not going to say nothing different. Go and grab the other pair as well just to see do they come with any spare laces and things like that. They do. Okay, cool. It was in this pair the whole time. So they got the white spare laces with them. I've seen some people on Instagram, I think it was like Mike Rich, that had a pair of these on and he had the white laces. I think they look pretty good. I don't think they look ugly with the white laces. I think I would probably keep the black in. Probably. I don't know. I usually just keep in the regular laces. I don't usually swap out that much, to be honest, but this is a pair I wouldn't mind swapping out. I seen like Seth Fowler and Mike Rich, they both swapped out with the white. It looked clean, but like I said, shout out to my bro Sneaker Life. We will be doing a giveaway. If you are interested in the giveaway, make sure you go down to the description of this video right now and check out the giveaway rules, or check out the giveaway rules after the video. I do want to tell y'all though, there is a lot of fakes going around. A lot of fakes. And I mean a lot of fakes. Whenever there is a very popular shoe coming out, be ready for the fakes. And I actually got a fake coming tomorrow. So tomorrow I will be doing a real versus fake of these Air Jordan 1 Mochas. And I want y'all to make sure y'all watch that video because the resale for this shoe will be super high. And I don't want y'all getting finessed. I got a very good fake that's gonna be in the studio tomorrow. It's actually pretty scary. I'm not gonna lie, the fake looks damn near identical, but of course I'm gonna show y'all and point out how to separate the real from the fake with these. I know it's gonna be a lot of y'all wanting to buy a lot of pairs. There's gonna be a lot of resellers out there. Look, trust me, watch the video I'm posting tomorrow, real versus fake, when it comes down to the Air Jordan 1 Mochas. You don't wanna miss it, so turn the notification bell on to make sure that you're not buying nothing fake. It's very imperative, especially if you buy online on stuff like, what is that, Craigslist. If you buy on Facebook groups, if you buy on OfferUp, you want to watch this because you don't want to get finessed out of your bread. But until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all click the link down below to be able to get in a giveaway for the Air Jordan 1 Mochas. And until next time, man, everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.